Hi, today we're going to learn how to use an application called Popplet. It's available as an app for the iPad, or you can also access it on your Chromebook or desktop computer by going to popplet.com. You'll just need to create an account by using your email address and coming up with a password, and then you'll be brought to this great home screen to get you started. Essentially a tool where students and teachers can organize their thoughts and ideas, kind of like an online brainstorm. So when we want to make a Popplet, we can click on Make New Popplet, and the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to name your Popplet. So for this example, I'm going to call it Personal Narrative because I'm going to create this as though I'm preparing to write a personal narrative. To the right, you can pick a color for the background. I'm going to pick blue, and once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to click Make It So. So here's your creation screen for your Popplet. You have a button to go back to your home screen, a button to view your entire Popplet if it gets large. Sometimes pieces can go off screen. You can zoom in and out. You can change the color of your background if you like. And here you have a settings button where you can create new popples, which are each individual piece of your Popplet, where you can save and edit and export and lots of other things that you can explore. For now, we're just going to create a new popple. So a popple is this piece of our brainstorm or our Popplet, and I just want to show you all the sorts of things that you can do with this. So because the topic is personal narrative, I want to make my first popple just kind of the center that shows my idea of what this Popplet is about. You'll notice some icons along the bottom of your popple. This first one allows you to change the colors. So this changes the border color. So perhaps you might be wanting to organize your Popplet, and color coding each of your ideas might be something that's going to be useful to you. You can also do different types of representation. So you can type stuff. You can change the size of the font of what you've typed. You can make it go to the right or the center or the left, wherever you prefer to have it. You also have the option of drawing in your Popple, or you can also import images that are saved in Vimeo or on your computer. This last little button is a comment button, and this comment doesn't show up in your main Popplet, but it's useful if you wanted to add some extra information to go with your Popple. To our main Popplet board, if I want to start just kind of brainstorming ideas, memories, or things that are important to me for a personal narrative, I can start by clicking my topic Popple. And each of these gray circles, if you click and drag, will make a line and make a new Popple for you. I'm actually going to go back to this one because I can drag the corners and make it a little larger just because that's my topic. So for this one, I think I'll just write. So I can type in my idea. I'm going to type birth of my son. That's quite an important memory and quite a big story for me. Then maybe I want to go back and I'm going to draw another Popple here, and this time I want to try the draw feature. So maybe I'm going to draw this mountain because this is a reminder of when I climbed Grossmorn Mountain in Newfoundland. Also a great big story for me. I'm going to go back here. Maybe I want to draw another Popple to the side here. And in this case, I can use uploading a picture. I'm just going to find a picture that I've saved here if I want to put an image. And as I said, you can also add comments to those to help remind you of what you want it to do. So I'm going to choose this picture of a turkey dinner that I had with my class last year. I'm just going to drag this so it has a little bit more space. And as you can see, I can just start making popples and putting in my ideas. So I'm going to put one about Abby, my cat. Maybe I'll have another one over here of when I got lost. And so on. So hopefully this is a program that you'd be interested in using to start organizing your ideas and having it electronically.